thank you so much for coming. It's our pleasure to have you.
Oh my goodness, what a treat. Tell me what we're doing today.
So we are ringing the opening bell for Advertising Week. We've done this every year for the last decade or so. Advertising Week is a big piece of New York, and it's great to celebrate it by ringing the opening bell with all the sponsors, guests, speakers, and hopefully you and your team.
I am so excited to be here. As you know, I'm here with Adobe for Ad Week, and what better chance than to come to NASDAQ, because this is not an opportunity you get every day. So thank you so much, Josh. Super excited. We're going to take you with us. You ready? Let's go.
Come on.
To all our distinguished guests, we are truly, truly excited that you could all join us right here from the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's opening bell.
So we are here at Carlos's Bakery, and I've never tried the place, but like many of you, I've seen him on television. So let's see how his bakery goods do. We've actually got here rainbow vanilla cake, which I understand looks like rainbow, but actually tastes like vanilla. We've got the original New York cheesecake. I mean, we are in New York, so we must get New York cheesecake. We've got the cannoli, which they recommended. And these two, I thought they just were pastries. They're actually lobster tails, which now kind of makes sense because they do look like lobster tails. So we'll have to see how these taste. This is a really sweet cheesecake. It's a little gritty. You know, I was saying Cheesecake Factory has a really good cheesecake. This one's pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah, it's different. Maybe it's just a different format, but it's good. It's really sweet. Okay, so Robin definitely likes the lobster tail. So let's see how this goes.
That was really good.
Good. Flaky.
I like the flaky. I like the crust.
This is good.
It is good.
How about price for a little bit? I think this cheesecake was about $11. And as you can tell from the size of the fork, it's not that big. So kind of, I think it's definitely too expensive. This cake, the rainbow cake, was about $8.50 for the slice. So again, this is New York City, so that can be expected. So I do think for your money's worth, I would certainly pass on the cheesecake. Lobster tails, definitely good. Cannoli, really good. So we'll see how the cake goes. Let's check this out. Now I gotta go red because I like red. Who doesn't like red, right? Well, if you have kids, get the cake. Kids will like this cake, but I'll say I don't even taste vanilla. All I taste is sugar. It's good. This is really it's a simple cake.
Yeah, the kids would love it.
The colors are amazing. From a bling factor,
Oh yeah, they would think it's great.
it's a good cake.
And it has party written all over it.
Yeah, it's that birthday party written all over it. And just for that, I mean, it's so pretty, you just have to eat more of it. You had me at sprinkles. I'm such a big fan of when you go to a different city, you should try different restaurants. And New York is no exception, with one exception. Ruby Rosa. Definitely coming here a second time to New York because I'm here with an amazing publicist and my very dear friend Robin Stevens. And behind the camera is my good friend and videographer Christian, who is his first time in New York. Of course, had to have a great experience, and we're taking him to Ruby Rosa, where I think literally some of the best pizza in the world.
Unbelievably.
Unbelievable. I know you and I have both been to Italy, and I gotta tell you, I still think Ruby Rosa hangs pretty high on the list.
From the crust to the sweet, the sauce is a little bit sweeter. The crust is perfect. I got a big fan of rice balls too. Those are excellent. We ordered those.
And we're
starting off healthy.
We're starting off healthy. We're trying a little bit, a couple of different items. We'll see how it goes. But one of the best things about going to a restaurant for the second time is to bring more company. So we brought Christian. If you haven't met him already, 6 foot plus something, used to be a professional athlete, a great person to bring when you want to try more dishes. So today we're going to start the Caesar salad. You ready?
Ready. Let's go.
Okay. All right, Robin. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
All right. Now, just so you guys see, Christian's getting his salad too, not to worry. I make sure my team eats well.
Very good. It's got a little bit of a lemon. There's
Okay.
a hint of lemon in it. Very good.
Can't really have too much lemon, but you know what? When in New York, you must enjoy. Super excited. We didn't have this last time.
No, we did not. You'll like it. The dressing is very good. The cheese is nice and fresh.
Look at this. This is a carbonara. Now, I've had this in Italy. It's like literally one of my favorite dishes. How yum is that? I'm glad we ordered the small one because it's a lot of food.
It is a lot of food. That looks delicious.
Not elegant here, but
Thank you. Perfect.
You
Right
mind
there's
right
fine.
there?
Yep, no, that's fine.
I'll give you some.
I like your little twist with the.
I try to do that.
Thank you.
You know, I'm a right-hander, so this is not the most elegant presentation, but I like to switch. That would have been easy. That is so good. This carbonara is amazing. Maybe one of the best I've had outside of Italy. It is so, so good. Definitely get this in addition to the pizza. I'm excited to see you try it.
Okay. Very good.
So good, right? The carbonara is
yeah.
so good. If you come here, you must get this. Promise me you'll get this because it is so over the top. So if you came with us on our last trip to Ruby Rosa, you know that we tried 2 different styles of pizza last time, and hands down, everyone said that this was their top choice. So instead of getting half or smaller size pizza, we went all out. We got the big size. It's called Ruby Rosa Supreme for a reason. Yay, okay, let's eat.